Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today, I'm going to be creating a vignette for you. So come on with me, guys. Okay, so this video is a part of a collaboration with the Home Decor Luxe Club. And this is VLOGUST, so I'm really excited. Let me go ahead and mention who the hosts are. Okay, so our main host is Ali from Glam Elegant Living. Then we have Creations by Simone, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Tablescapes by Candy, Miriam Creative Corner, Design to a T, Amethyst Adventures, and let's get started, guys. All right, so I am using this small table to place this vignette. Now the tablecloth was a thrifted item and that tray was a DIY. I think that was a thrifted item also. Definitely needed to be restored and I painted it in black. Now I have a DIY vase right here that I decoupaged. It is farmhouse style. It goes perfectly with these beautiful sunflowers. Now this vase right here was also a DIY. It was a thrift flip that I made and I'm absolutely loving it. And then in it was some lemons, so I decided to go ahead and leave it there for the yellow color. So we're wiping things down and we're recreating something beautiful. Absolutely loving how this came out. So I don't know about you, but I am in love with this vase. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so that beautiful bird that I'm cleaning up right there, that came from Kirkland's, and then the candle holder did come from the Dollar Tree. So now I overlaid with this really beautiful dainty cloth, and then right here in the center I am putting a DIY that I thought would go perfectly on this tray. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think it came out beautiful and I hope that you agree. Now we light the candles and we're heading over to the reveal. Now, doesn't this look absolutely amazing? And I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.